Hello, welcome back. So I'm back at the iPad, and I'm excited to show you VoiceOver, which is the screen reader that is the equivalent of Android's TalkBack feature. So it works pretty much the same in similar manners. Whenever I click in an item, I should be able to hear more evocative content about the item that allows me to interact with the item, including the actions that I can take to interact with the item. So with that being said, let's enable TalkBack. So VoiceOver. So remember, what I'm going to do, I'm going to show you first how to do it normally without the accessibility shortcuts, and then I'm going to turn it off with the accessibility shortcuts at the end. So I first go to the accessibility menu, which is here selected right now. Then I go to VoiceOver. So with VoiceOver, what I can do.
VoiceOver on. Settings. Landscape. Home button. VoiceOver on. VoiceOver off.
So as you see, even interacting with the VoiceOver button, I can also get some characteristics about the device, that the device is in landscape, and that some actions I can take. You'll notice that there's a speaking rate option here. So if I put on the speaking rate really low.
VoiceOver on. Settings. Landscape. VoiceOver off.
So basically that's if you need, if you think VoiceOver is speaking too fast and it's easier for you to listen to VoiceOver speak more slowly. It does take more time to interact with the actions, but there are options if you need to. So there's many options with VoiceOver that are more customizable to a specific user. For example, there's verbosity. You can make VoiceOver actually speak a lot more or a lot less. And you can also make VoiceOver highlight with things like different speech, different actions. For example, for capital letters, I can have it speak caps. I can have it play a sound or change pitch when capitals are around. So just to have the emphasis that the capital letter is there and makes more sense to speak differently. I can ask it, I can turn off the hints completely, and so I won't get any action hints. And then there's several other actions that I can take depending on the type of content I'm interacting with. I can have it change text if it deletes text, I can change the pitch that I'm deleting something. So there's a lot that I can do here, and I leave it to you to explore, but I'm just going to use the basic VoiceOver in a demo for now. So I'm going to go back to VoiceOver, keep it at the current rate it is. I'm going to keep everything else similar for now, and just turn on VoiceOver.
VoiceOver on. Settings. Landscape. Okay. Home button to the right.
All right, so what I'm going to do is, and also there's a little test
VoiceOver practice
where you can practice VoiceOver. So
practice VoiceOver gestures. Commands. One finger double tap. Activate. One finger double tap. One finger swipe down. Next row. Touch. Speak item.
Speak item.
One finger swipe down. Next rotor item. Touch. Speak item. Touch. Speak item.
Okay, and so we get the idea.
Done. Button. Done. So VoiceOver practice. Settings. Heading. App switcher. Close NYT games.
So what I'm going to do is going to go back to the home screen.
App switcher. FaceTime. Alert. Accessibility short.
And so what I'm going to do is
selected.
Turn
VoiceOver off
using this shortcut menu, and turn it back on.
VoiceOver on.
Now
FaceTime.
On. So
double tap to open. Landscape.
Now you can hear the
home button to the right
that are associated with each of the things that I click. So
file, reminders, NYT games.
NYT games app.
Double tap to open.
All right, I will oblige that.
NYT games. Dismiss. Dismiss. Button.
As you can see, I have the crosswords up, the mini crosswords. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go to one of the
sixth square, blank
squares, and now it tells me what's going on in there, and I can have the clue actually highlighted when I click.
Sixth square, blank.
And so I'm going to then put in the letters by typing them. And remember, VoiceOver works similarly to TalkBack. As I type in letters on the keyboard, I can hear them being outputted.
I. India, cap I. T. Cap T. Cap T. Y. Cap Y.
And there you go. That's how I can simply use VoiceOver in an example. Thank you very much. And once again, I'm going to just turn it off.
Alert. Accessibility shortcuts. Selected. Voice. Voiceover off.
Now voiceover's off. Thank you.